Dear students, very good evening to all of you. Here we are continuing the part of this is the retrosynthetic approach. Synthesis, as you can say, analysis followed by synthesis. If you have to give and provide this two target molecules, यहाँ पे हमें एक target molecule दिया है, that is aromatic compound, and we can take this is the bicyclic compound. Suppose we are having this bicyclic compound, bicyclo compound. So these are the target molecules. What is the plan of synthesis? How it is obtained? How many functional group is given such types of the compound? This simple hydrocarbon is here, and here no doubt these are the aromatic and this aliphatic. How it is obtained? So as you can say, what is the plan of analysis? What is the analysis? हम यहाँ पे 2cc disconnection कर सकते हैं, 2cc disconnection. If you want 2cc disconnection, then whatever this two synthetic equivalent is obtained, that is one is a benzene and another is what? This is what? CH2, CH2, CH2 and this CH2. This carbon carries positive charge, this carbon carries positive charge, and what is the synthetic equivalent? As you can say, Cl negative, Cl negative, or Br negative, Br negative, bromine negative, bromine negative. So whatever there is for CH2, CH2 and this Cl and Cl, 1,4 dichlorobutane, 1,4 dichlorobutane, and this is the benzene molecule. So these are the analysis. What is the synthesis? अब इसका प्लान क्या होगा सिंथेसिस का? What is the plan of synthesis if we are given these types of the compounds Cl, CH2, 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 CH2 and Cl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atom. If it is react with the AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, then formation of two positively charged species, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what? Two positively charged species, and this two positively charged species is treated with what? As you can say, benzene molecules. So this is what? Friedel-Crafts. As you can say, this is the known as the Friedel-Crafts for 1, 2, 3, 4 Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So whatever there is formation of what? The types of the product is obtained. This is called as the target molecules. As you can say, this is known as what? Bicyclo compound. So this is formation of the target molecules, and these are the application of here formation of what? AlCl4 negatively charged. In generally formation of first step this is generation of the carbocation. In the second step, benzene is react with this is the carbocation species which are having what? This is the formation of the final product is what? A target molecule, that is the bicyclic compound. This is called as what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. These are the application of what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. तो यहाँ पे हमने इस कंपाउंड का एनालिसिस, उसके बाद सिंथेसिस किया. ऐसे कंपाउंड को आपको एनालिसिस फॉलोड बाय सिंथेसिस करना होगा. कैसे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एनालिसिस बाय यूजिंग द स्पेसिफिक reaction condition and what reagents. If you are having the next compound, जैसे कि ये compound आपको दिया जा सकता है, how it is obtained? Again 2cc disconnection, whatever, no doubt here formation of the benzene, and this is what 1,3 dichloro compound plus इसके साथ reagent लेना पड़ेगा Lewis acid. So what is the plan of synthesis? इसका plan of synthesis क्या होगा? Yes, come on. So this is called as the analysis, synthesis. So the synthesis, as you can say, you can take this is the starting reactant molecule is the benzene. So the reaction is that if it is react with the 1,3 dichloropropane in presence of AlCl3, then formation of what? This is the benzene and this is the bicyclic compounds. So AlCl3, HCl, here hydrochloric acid and AlCl3 remain it. So these are the bicyclic compound. Here bicyclic compound, again we are the provide these types of the compound here again also. So again the 2cc disconnection, second third one analysis, then formation of what? No doubt if you have to provide these types of the synthetic equivalent, It is a vicinal, as you can say this vicinal what? Vicinal dichloride. This is called as vicinal dichloride, vicinal dihalide, and HCl, as you can say HCl and AlCl3 again remain 8. So these are what, as you can say analysis, analysis followed by what, synthesis. यहाँ पे हम यस का analysis किया, उसके बाद synthesis, no doubt whatever there is in presence of AlCl3 Lewis acid, AlCl3 Lewis acid, then formation of what, the types of the final product is obtained. This is called as the target molecule, as the bicyclo or bicyclic compound. These are the application of Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. Again, if you are in these types of the product that is target molecules, so this is known as the cumene. How the cumene is obtained and what is the plan of synthesis? What is the first analysis of such types of the compound? इसका analysis क्या होगा? Suppose we are in this is CC bond disconnection, then formation of what? These are the benzene molecule plus what? This, as you can say, this carbocation is formed, as we can take these two ways. This is the chlorine, or better way we can take this chlorine. So this is again what, the application of what, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So here these types of the compound is provided, as you can say this target molecule Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So analysis followed by synthesis. Here the next compound you will provide, that is the carbonyl compound. For example, this is a aromatic nucleus and this one C double bond O. So what happened here? What is the plan of analysis? What is the analysis? What is the retrosynthetic approach of given such types of the target compound? In this compound, the given compound which are having this is the carbonyl as a functional group. How it is obtained? We can directly 2CC disconnection again, just like to the previous one example. So that is the benzene molecule is synthetic equivalent. Again C double bond O, this carbon carries positive charge, this CS2, 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 and this one is the CS2 carbocation. So this I am writing, this is the directly of this this is called as what, synthetic equivalent C double bond OCl CS2 CS2. How many times? 1 2 3 1 2 3 times. As you can say this is the carbocation, this primary carbocation. Again 1 2 3 1 is here. So this carbon carries positive charge. So whatever I am writing, this is the directly again here Cl atoms. So this is the plan of what, as you can say the synthetic equivalent. What is the synthesis? What is the synthesis? If you can take this Cl, acid chloride, acid halide, 1 2 3 carbon, 4 carbon total. So it is react with the benzene molecule, action of this benzene molecule with acid chloride in presence of what, AlCl3. Then what happen, this formation of what, not only chlorine but also we can take this bromine atom also, and here bromine, and then we can take what, FeBr3. The corresponding Lewis acid is used here, and then formation of our final product, that is called as this is what, cyclic, as you can say this is the bicyclo compound. So these are what, as you can say application, or we can directly say it is called as what, a Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is a reaction Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is called as what, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is carbonyl, that is a bicyclocarbonyl compound. What is the plan of analysis? 2CC disconnection. It is formation of what, here we can say this as the plan of the synthesis. We have been provide this benzene molecule analysis, and these are acid chloride. So in presence of Lewis acid, no doubt this is acid halide plus benzene molecule in presence of Lewis acid, formation of, it is the two-step product. As you can say this is known as, how the mechanism is takes place. If we are having these types of the benzene molecule, this C double bond O, acid chloride, this is the CS2 CS2, 1 2 3 and Cl atom, this pi bond is shifted here, Cl is lost, and then whatever there is formation of the two-step mechanism, then formation of what, after loss of H plus by using the AlCl4 minus negatively charged, again here using the AlCl4, as you can see this act as what, nucleophilic in nature, and formation of this final product. So this is called as what, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. As we are having this provided, the two types of the target molecules, Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.